Judith Heumann is a lifelong advocate for the rights of disabled people. She contracted polio in 1949 and began to use a wheelchair for mobility. At the age of 5, Judy was denied the right to attend school because she was considered a fire hazard. Her parents played a strong role in fighting for her rights, but Judy was determined that she, working in collaboration with other disabled people, had to play an advocacy role due to continuous discrimination. Judy is now an internationally recognized leader in the disability rights community. She served in the Clinton and Obama administrations and was a senior fellow at the Ford Foundation. Judy is featured in the documentary Crip Camp, A Disability Revolution, which won a 2020 American Award. She is also an author of her memoir, Being Human, an unrepentant memoir of a disability rights activist, along with Kristen Joyner. She is now the producer of The Human Perspective, a podcast and YouTube channel that aims to share the beauty of the disability community. Judy has received numerous awards, including being the first recipient of the Henry B. Belts Award, along with the Max Starkloff Lifetime Achievement Award from the National Council on Independent Living. You are an inspiration, Judy, and we are proud to present you with an honorary doctoral degree from the University of Pittsburgh.
Thank you very much, Chancellor Gallagher, Dr. Shaker, and Dean DeLito. Truthfully, the University of Pittsburgh has been a university outside of University of California, Berkeley, and Long Island University, my two alma maters, has been a school that I have looked up to for many years. In the 1990s, when I had the privilege of serving as the Assistant Secretary for Special Education and Rehabilitative Services, is when I really began to learn more about the university through people like Professor Brubaker. And then I had the honor of meeting Dr. Cooper in a more in-depth way. I had met Rory many years before I became the Assistant Secretary, but then getting to know him when he joined the university and his leadership and vision was really fantastic. And later on, Kate Seelman, who also joined the faculty and had been the director of the National Institute on Disability and Rehabilitation Research, which was a part of our team in OSERS. What I always think about the university is dealing with issues of innovation and the number of disabled individuals who have been in senior positions in the school and students with disabilities. I know for myself, I always look to be able to bring in more disabled individuals, especially into fields like this, because the ability to collaborate with disabled individuals who have studied in these fields with others who don't have disabilities, I think really enriches the work which is being done. Thank you so much for granting me this Doctor of Public Service in the field of rehabilitation, law, and science. I also wanted to quickly mention Dr. Thornburg and Ginny Thornburg, Attorney General for the Department of Justice, who, as we all know, passed away last year. But their innovation and creativeness, their energy and drive have gotten universities, including the University of Pittsburgh, to really look at the issue of disability and inclusivity, regardless of the degree of disability that a person has, in a more meaningful way. There are too many other people to mention. But again, I want to thank you. It's really a privilege to be able to get a doctorate from a university that I deeply admire. And before I say goodbye, I'd like you to please envision what I would have looked like from behind if I would have been marching. I'm going to turn around. I use a motorized wheelchair. And for those of you who are blind or low vision, sorry, I didn't give a description. So I'm a white disabled woman. I'm wearing purple and teal glasses, gold earrings from Mexico. I have brown hair, which doesn't show up that great under this cap. And I am wearing the cape cloak, which is kind of a blue-green. And now I will turn around and pretend I'm walking out. Thank you. Good luck. And when COVID passes, may we meet again.